I'm going to install this Hampton Bay 5100 BTU air conditioner in the dining room. I have that 5000 BTU Kenmore in there right now. That's made by Whirlpool. I wanted to try this one out. It says the Samsung compressor and fan motors and LG. The original speed knob for this thing cracked, and it didn't look like that originally. I tried to melt the pieces, or I tried to melt it back together with a soldering iron, and that didn't work too well. So I've found this Fetter's thermostat knob online, and it doesn't line up the way it's supposed to, but it fits on there sort of, and I'm able to use it. So it's not ideal, but it works. Other than that, this thing is in absolutely perfect condition, and I am going to take it upstairs and install it. What's the amp draw on this? I think it is 5.3 amps. And here's the one I'm taking out. Nothing wrong with it. I just want to try the other one. This one works just fine. It's got a Matsushita compressor. Got it installed. Let's turn it on. That's low fan. Pretty quiet. That's low cool. Here it is outside. The compressor is really quiet. And that Climatrol with the Rotorex is running up there too. I can actually hear that compressor over the one in that one. I don't know if you can on camera, but